Impress your family and friends with this delicious dessert. Moist chocolate cake is layered with hazelnut chocolate pudding and covered with hazelnut chocolate ganache. Though there are several components to this cake, it's pretty easy to put together. To make the chocolate cake batter, whisk together 1.5 eggs with 100 grams of granulated sugar. You don't have to worry about incorporating a lot of air, but mix well to help dissolve the sugar. Now add a half teaspoon of vanilla along with 77 grams of milk and 73 grams of a neutral oil and mix well. Now sift in your dry ingredients. 75 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, a half teaspoon of salt, and 23 grams of cocoa powder. Pour half of your batter into a greased and floured parchment-lined 9x9-inch baking pan and bake in a 350-degree Fahrenheit preheated oven for 5 to 7 minutes or just until set. To make the chocolate pudding, add 200 grams of milk to a saucepan along with 15 grams of cornstarch, 10 grams of cocoa powder, 42 grams of dark brown sugar, and a half teaspoon of vanilla. Heat until it comes to a boil and thickens, stirring constantly. Off heat, add 60 grams of milk chocolate and 35 grams of chopped hazelnuts. Pour the pudding over the chocolate cake and spread evenly. Then pour the remaining chocolate cake batter and spread evenly. Do not mix the cake batter with the pudding. Place it back in the 350-degree preheated oven and bake for about 20 minutes. To make the ganache, bring 3 tablespoons of heavy cream to a simmer and add 95 grams of milk chocolate. Once melted, add in 15 grams of chopped hazelnuts. Pour the ganache over the cake. Spread evenly. Wait 15 minutes, then slice and serve. Store cake in refrigerator. Enjoy.